Welcome back. Now, one of the most important elements inside of your settings area is going to be the tab for your recording settings. And this is important because it will be the location where your recording will be stored on your hard drive. You can change that location by clicking this button that says Change. And you can set the folder exactly where you want it to be on your hard drive. What you can also do is you can choose a specific location with each meeting. If that's the case, you're going to need to make sure that this is going to be ticked and enabled. If you want to have a separate audio file for each participant during the course of the meeting, you can enable this in this area. If you want your recording to be of a specific size so that you'll be able to put it inside of your video editing program, you'll want to make sure that this element is going to be enabled. If you want to add a timestamp to your recording, you'll want to make sure that this area is going to be enabled. And if you also want to record video during your screen sharing, you can also do that by having this box ticked. Specifically, if you want the video to be placed next to the screen sharing, you can do that by clicking this element. And of course, you can keep the temporary recording files. Now, all of these are going to be things that you can manage during the course of your recording. If you have a paid account or a pro account, you can determine exactly how much cloud recording space that you have here inside of the client. If you want to manage it by deleting some of the files that you have available to you, you'll need to go to your web-based portal in order to do that. And you can do that by clicking this Manage button. And if your cloud recordings is enabled, that will bring you to your account online where you can manage your cloud recordings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.